Hey there, welcome to the 30-second Easy JavaScript tutorial part of easyprogramming.net. We've learned a lot over the last 31 tutorials. Let's put some of that knowledge to use today. You've seen websites with text boxes where as you type, it counts the number of characters that you type. Here I have a text area set up as well as a span ID called word count set up followed by the word characters. What we're going to do is we're going to start typing into our text box and it will in real time update the character count for you down here. And we're going to do this in just a few lines. So let's get started and show you what I mean. So for this, you'll need to know a few things, including array methods and event listeners. I put basic input and output, which is, you should know that by now if you're on tutorial number 32. So let's get to it. In my code here, so far, I've declared two variables called my text and word count, which are my text area and the word count span ID, which is the 0 right here. So we'll do my text.add event listener. So we're going to look for an event that has to do with pressing a key. So we're going to do with key up. So as soon as someone lets go of the key, we're going to do something. So we'll do an anonymous function. We'll do this, open, close brace, curly braces, and parentheses. And then I'll declare a new local variable. I'll call it characters equals to my text dot value. So we're going to get the value of whatever the user input in the text area. But we need to count those characters. So what we're going to do is we're going to split it up into arrays. So we'll do split. So I put quotes, quote with nothing in it, quotes. So we're counting each character. So the delimiter is pretty much just every character. Next we'll do is word count dot inner text equals to characters dot length. So characters is now an array which contains every single character from whatever the user types in here. So G is a character, S is a character, G is a character, etc. And we're going to use the dot length property of the array and get the number. So this is actually pretty simple, right? There we go. Let's update and run. There we go. As soon as I start typing, it should update the 0 to number. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I can keep going. It counts spaces too because spaces are characters. I can type all of this in there. There we go. It says, look, 349 characters. If I get rid of all of this, there you go. As soon as I let go, it updates. If you want, you can count all of this and I guarantee you that it will be correct as soon as I let go. So some of you are probably wondering why am I using key up and not key down, because as soon as somebody presses down it should count, right? Yes, but it's a little buggy. So let's see what happens when we do key down. I'll do update run. I'll do 1, right? Nothing happened. 2, 3, 4. It did something, right? If I press back, it goes down to 4, and then 3, and then 2, and then 1. There's no characters in there. If I press backspace one more time, it actually updates it. So key down updates after something happens, which is not what we want to do. So for the best effect, I recommend using key up for this. So as soon as I type in, there we go, there is no delay. There we go. We did all of this in just 7 lines. Stay tuned for the next tutorial where I will actually show you how to set a limit to the number of characters that someone types. You've seen this before too. You can do this in HTML now by setting a character limit, but I'll show you how to do it in JavaScript. It's actually pretty simple. We're going to modify this code and add a little bit to it, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. If you want to see a specific tutorial, please ask and I'll be happy to fit it into my curriculum here. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit easyprogramming.net. Have a great one.